I've lived in Clyde almost my whole life. What's unique about Clyde is really how people come together. And I've heard of stories of how people come in and help each other, and they truly care about others and help other people out. We have a lot of generous people in this community, and seeing that in real time, I think, has made it unique compared to other places I've lived. One thing that brings people together is the schools, whether it's a school activity or school function, a sports game or function. I think people really rally around the schools and the kids in the schools. A lot of the street signs are blue and gold, the colors of our high school. So it just, the pride runs deep, and I think a lot of people feel that pride and sense of community. Clyde is the type of town where it's a close-knit community. We care about our community and our schools and support our sports. The home of the Flyers is on the water tower, so there's a lot of pride that goes into our little town. There's nowhere else I'd rather raise my family than Clyde, Ohio.